Nestled into a steep hillside of Sullivan Canyon in Pacific Palisades, the San Remo Residence is composed of two stacked volumes oriented to face north, offering sweeping views of the natural landscape and the Getty beyond. The house features articulated vertical and horizontal lines constructed from wood and steel, contrasting with the surrounding native vegetation that blankets the canyon and evoking its wildness. Rooted to a limestone plinth, the residence's configurable layout blends harmoniously into its picturesque landscape. The residence's southern edge is set back from the property line to allow for southern light to enter its entry-level and main corridors. A 5-foot module vertically integrates and defines the glazing system, with horizontal mullions extending upwards from the upper floors, providing a unified look that coordinates with its Afromosia wood facade on the south. The program is arranged in a vertical stack, alternating either side of the main staircase, occupying a central volume sheathed in vertically slatted Afromosia wood. Offset from the stairs, the master suite fills the eastward-facing elongated volume with floor-to-ceiling glass and an exterior cladding of Afromosia,